Greetings everyone, welcome back, and today we have this platform called ShortStack, and this is the marketing contest software. Now if we simply head over to the link in the description, you can get extended free trial as well as exclusive benefits and reward. Now you can get your best marketing contest software out of this ShortStack, and you know how important marketing and all that stuff is for your business. So log into the dashboard and you can see we have a couple of features. Like for example, the first one is get started. If you want to create a campaign, you can do that. You have your contest forms, landing pages, pop-ups, and in the collect Instagram post, you can simply run hashtag contest, use mentions, display posts in gallery. And finally, we have import comments. Now run a comment contest, pick winners. So you can do all that stuff in this platform. If you want to create a campaign, click on create a campaign option. It will be going through a couple of questions and a different type of options. So you can see we have a template. Now, an amazing thing about this platform is how beautiful the templates are and easy to use. So you can totally customize each and everything out of this platform and the template. So let's just change it to something else. Like for example, if you want to choose something like this, I'm going to be clicking on this template and you can see how easily it is changed. To simply edit, you can click on use this template, and after a couple of seconds it will be loaded into your editor section, and this is the magic area, and you can totally customize literally everything. Delete it if you want to delete a few parts or even add new blocks. Now there is a little bit of the learning curve in here that you need to go through, but once you go through that, it is totally worth it. Talking about if you are still unsure about platform, now it have a lot of good reviews, guys, believe me. And you can see people are saying the ease of use, customer service, features, value for money, everything is basically good to go, and ton of reviews and good reviews about the platform. So really recommend it. You can head over to the link in the description to simply get your extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.